Not the real Will Smith. Finally getting project number 1 out of 6 done. I had another mobile mechanic that I was supposed to get out here. But obviously, you guys know we've been waiting a while, so I have found someone else. But look at this truck. I'm gonna show you guys this real quick. It's an F350. It is so nice. Way bigger than a Ranger.
Will we start?
Oh yeah, if you can. Okay. I'm a city boy, but you know, I would always want one. This one is freaking huge. Yeah, I thought my pipes were big. Hey, you know what? My whole fist was over there. It's too hot though. It's nice. Man. Definitely a diesel. Yeah, you might as well. Oh my gosh. Woo! Can y'all see that? Oh, that's not okay. This joint is so tough. Jesus Christ. So tough. Oh man. I love the pollution. You guys are wondering, drum brakes, backing plate on the right side. It only came from Georgia. That's how rare they were. They don't even make backing plates for the Corolla in the dealerships anymore. Not for a 07. So don't bend your backing plate. It is very hard to find. Wheel cylinders, because I keep calling them the master cylinder. And yeah, I'm sorry. That part works. The master cylinder works. It's in the front, guys. I just was confused. You know, I don't do drum brakes at all. And I think the lugs, not the lugs, the what do you call them things that hold the lug nuts in? Whatever that is, I think so. Just to be safe, because I have some crappy lug nuts on there. So yeah. I remember my brother when we put these on before. He like tore the shoes up. Like I don't know what the heck he was doing. He didn't know what he was doing. And he was like, just hammer it out. I was like, I don't think that's how it works, man. And he busted that boot. So I'm sure this is the third time I'm replacing that right there. I'm sure. So, I have a new drum over there for this side. The other one already has a new drum. Yeah. Alright guys, so this was the new drum that I got put on last time, but I didn't have a backing plate. So now I have all the tools. The mobile mechanic, well, all his stuff's here. He actually ran to the bathroom, but let me show you guys while he's not here where the bend is at. Alright, as you can see, that's not a full circle, it's a little bent there. And then this bottom part is pushed backwards. So if you hold it like this, you can kind of see it. You see how it's bent like that at the bottom part? And right there, oops, right there. Yeah. So backing plate's coming off. All of this has to come off. So that backing plate go back on. He puts that back on. Drum goes back on. He's gonna replace this brake cylinder, this wheel cylinder, sorry. And then we'll be all set in the back. Alright, so it's been what, 2 hours now? Backing plate's taken off. It literally is like ass right now. Like, now you guys can see like where it's bent at. Like, that's horrible. Like, it's not even like driving like that. How did it not rub against the rim? I don't know.
Probably did.
It probably did. But It's okay. These are back things. But we went through a wheel cylinder. It's okay. We came back with another one. Everything's put back on. Springs, the adjuster, and the e-brake's connected. That was the important thing. Because my e-brake didn't work for anything. One time I remember I had it up and I was doing 40 miles an hour and didn't realize. I was like, oops.
Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah. Throw some brake fluid in there. We should be fine, yeah.
Yeah, not bleeding.
And bleed it, right? And we gotta put the drum back on. That's about it.
I'm gonna put the drum on first.
Oh yeah, that part. See, that's why he's doing the work, not me. All right, guys. Almost 4 hours later, we're good. Had a little bit of hiccups just because it's my car and no one else's. Everything's good. No leaks, and my e-brake works again, so oil changes won't be so dangerous anymore. If you guys like what you've seen, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Not the real _Will Smith on YouTube as well as Instagram. Not the real _Will Smith. Remember, we're at 180 subscribers. Get us to 200. It's another giveaway. Love ya. Peace. Whoosh.